Hi, my name is Antonio Puca. I am a senior at USF. My major is international business with a concentration in information systems and analytics. I will be going over the project that we have for ISM 3113. Um, right now our main focus is so we have 8 lines: project name, project priority, project type, project manager, project risk, consumed budget, total budget, progress. What we really focus on this one is the consumed budget, project managers, the project type, and the risk, the project risk, and the progress is what we mainly focus on for this one. So right now it did do this, so you can turn off filters and stuff like that, so that would be really helpful. So first one is the project manager and their consumed budget. So you can go over see how James is going with his consumed budget and then compare it to what his total budget is, see if he's actually in progress or not. I like this one a lot because you're able to see if they're actually if they're actually consuming the budget or if they're just below budget, I guess, at that point. The risk to progress, that one is the sum of the like how much progress they have going on against their risk, or like the type of risk project. Obviously the high one doesn't have very much progress on it. Also, there's not a lot of high projects, but medium and low, you can just see the progress on it. So the next one is the project manager and the sum of the progress. So how much they've actually consumed and how much they're progressing. Like Victoria Smith, she's doing a great job. She's already on 4, while people like Sarah, is 1.15. So you can talk to Sarah and say, hey, can you boost up production or anything like that. This is my dashboard. I really like it because you can use filters. So if I use a filter, let me use a filter on this one as well. So say we want to, on Harper or on Sarah and Paul, you can see Paul has a couple. He has a medium, low, high. So I think it's super useful to be able to see which ones they've actually been doing and what they haven't been doing.